All right, welcome back, YouTubers. Hey, we are heading out of town. Oh my gosh. I've got the Babylicious with me.
Yeah.
She is driving, so let's not distract. But look what's going on here. We've got desert for days, some rain clouds.
Snow in the mountains.
A little bit of snow on one side of the mountains there. We're in the Jeep. Oh yeah. Is this the Renegade?
Yes.
Jeep Renegade.
Jeep Renegade.
And we can't distract Laura.
Coming up on a Kia that just pulled out.
Yeah, we're going to be in rush hour traffic, so we may not like each other by the time we're over. But we're heading down to Manti, going to see the temple open house. They just got done renovating, and again, we don't have tickets, but we're going to go and, you know,
get in line.
So, but look at this family, a really cool family out here on their bikes. That's what I'm talking about. Get out and do something, people. And that's me too. But you know, I do have basement build, and I do have a full-time job, and yeah, all that good stuff. So we're heading down there right now, and hope to. Of course, she won't shut up, but we'll see ya. I'll do like a halfway mark, and then you know, the town we're going to see some family too. We're excited about that. I probably should have mentioned that first. But you know, we love you, family. You know who you are. So here we go. All right, we're on the other side of what lake?
Utah Lake.
Utah Lake, and look at that. It's green.
Green fields.
So we're heading east.
No. South. East is that way.
So we're heading south, and then we're going to be heading east. So.
Yes.
A big old farm out here. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe hay or.
Probably.
Yeah, but look at the background. You could pay for this. Well, I'm sure they pay for it.
The lake right there.
There's the edge of the lake right up there. All right, we'll catch up again when we get to Nephi. All right, we've stopped here in Nephi to the one-man band diner. You order by lifting that phone there.
And then when it's done, like they tell you, and you have to go pick it up or something. Anyway, I don't know.
Huge menu. We'll see you when it comes. All right, we got our food. Got me a all-American burger with all the fixings. And she's got her breakfast.
Yeah.
Toast. We're just waiting on our scones. All right, look at that burger, man. Oh, geez. That's good. We got our scones.
Yum. Ham, eggs, hash browns. It's delicious. Strawberry jam on my toast.
Oh, yeah. Yummy.
Yeah. I guess I should have gotten a butter knife, but this works fine.
Giant scone. We'll see about that. All right. Silverware. You're the only one with silverware, so here we go. Oh man, it is so dense. Watch it break apart. Oh yeah. Well, there we go. I think this is honey butter.
Yep.
Oh man. That's like a really fancy donut. Oh. Fried to perfection. Look at that. Comes with honey butter or something like that.
My turn. It's just dripped into mine.
Sneaky, sneaky.
A little bit of honey butter on there. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's delicious. Oh yeah.
All right, we just got done eating at what is this? One-man band?
One-man band.
Fall. Can't have her walking backwards. It's old dinerish, man. It's
definitely old. It's not like
we got these. Look at these concrete steps here.
yeah, to go out to the road.
Look at these. Look at this corner
Little
here.
sitting area.
You want to go around?
Yeah, we can go around
Okay.
this way. Take their concrete steps.
Sure. And then you just whoop, whoop.
But yeah, it's definitely a little old diner. Oh, are you doing the little?
Yeah. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, there you go.
So, there you go. One-man band, baby. Woo-hoo. One-man band. And then you got this one-man band. Wow. It's so cool.
It is cool and cold. It's a little breezy.
You can see the snow up there.
Yeah, it's snowing on the mountain.
Yeah. So, all right, we're on our way. All right, we're heading in the canyon. Look, you got your little Pony Express markers every once in a while, where the mail was traveled through. That's pretty cool. Anyway, we'll catch you on the downdrift. What do you think, babe? We made it.
We made it.
We came in when it was dark. We're leaving when it just turned light. Let's go right here. Burger place is open, actually.
Do you want to go there?
Sure. This is
I mean,
open.
it's been a while since we've been there. They have good food.
Let's see. I don't know if there's a ton of people in there. But we'll do this real quick.
Grab a sandwich.
Yeah.
Or we could do McDonald's, but this would be
Why not?
fun.
All right, we're here at the famous donut burger joint in Manti.
Super fun.
Yeah, serving Manti since 1961. We got our grub. We just went through the temple. This is the main street here. Crazy traffic, temple up on the hill there. See the temple through the trees. But yep, we're about to get some food. Here's some cool wall art. Oh yeah. Very cool. Small little diner. I don't know if they're corporate pictures or if they're actually, but we got a nice little cute place here. There's my baby. You see the old bricks here.
Oh yeah, it's definitely like an older building,
Right.
but they've maintained it really well.
All right, our food has arrived. What? Look at that. Oh man. That is the quarter pounder.
Oh, I didn't get my donut. There's the cheeseburger. You want to see
There's
it?
the cheeseburger. Laura's gonna show you.
Yum.
You got the
I
burrito.
got the burrito.
There's a burrito in there. Oh, MG. And that's for oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Burrito.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Okay. And tots. All right. We're gonna eat. All right. So let's bite into this thing. Look at this hamburger at 9:30 in the morning. Oh yeah. Look at that.
I started for you guys. I was waiting for maple and filled ones. I did 3 fritters. I did no cap.
Just take another bite.
So then we need one more fritter.
Yeah.
Add a fritter and then get
So good.
I need my
And if there's anything in the case that you guys want in the box, please let her know. And then I will, if you want to eat one now, I will just hand you a camera.
Oh, it's good. Yes, that's what I want.
Yum. And then, of course, the tots are the thing of the season. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Wonderful, thank you.
Okay. You
A little bit of soda.
3 burritos.
We'll see you on the next one. Oh, yeah.
Say thank you to Uncle Penny. He got you some love. Thank you.
All right, everybody. Here's the star right here. Woo! We're going to eat some lunch.